Best guitars for beginners comparison. Electric guitars are an excellent entry point for beginners looking to explore the world of music. With a wide range of options available, choosing the right beginner electric guitar can be challenging. This guide compares 5 models priced between $79.99 and $155.99, highlighting their features, performance, and value. List number: the Rock Jam Electric Guitar Super Kit is a full-sized guitar designed for beginners and intermediate players. Its basswood body and ergonomic ST design provide a comfortable playing experience. The guitar features 3 single-coil pickups, a pickup selector switch, tone and volume controls, and a whammy bar, making it versatile for different musical styles. The included 10-watt amplifier offers tone and gain controls, ensuring a customizable sound experience. Additional accessories like a padded gig bag, strap, spare strings, picks, and access to online lessons make this kit a comprehensive package for beginners. In terms of performance, the Rock Jam guitar delivers a balanced tone suitable for rock, blues, and pop genres. The single-coil pickups produce bright and clear sounds, though they may lack the depth and warmth of humbuckers. The build quality is solid, with metal gearheads ensuring precise tuning. While the amplifier is decent for practice, it may not suffice for larger spaces or performances. The Simply Guitar app is a valuable addition for beginners, providing structured lessons to accelerate learning. List 2. The Vangoa 30-inch Kids Electric Guitar is tailored specifically for young beginners. Its compact size and lightweight design make it easy for children to handle. The guitar features 2 single-coil pickups, 3 adjustable gears for tonal variety, and a Canadian maple neck for smooth playability. The kit includes an amplifier, padded gig bag, tuner, capo, strap, picks, and spare strings, ensuring that young players have everything they need to start their musical journey. Performance-wise, the Vangoa guitar is well-suited for genres like rock, funk, and blues. The tone is bright and stable, but the limited pickup configuration may restrict versatility for advanced players. The smaller scale length and ergonomic design reduce fatigue during practice sessions, making it ideal for younger players. However, the amplifier's 2-watt power output is underwhelming, and the overall sound quality may not satisfy more discerning ears. Despite these limitations, the guitar excels as a beginner-friendly option for children. List 3. The Strick SST S10 Sunburst electric guitar is a full-sized model that blends classic aesthetics with modern performance. Featuring 3 single-coil pickups, it offers a wide tonal range from crisp cleans to gritty overdrive. The solid engineered wood body ensures durability, while the sleek design adds visual appeal. The accessory bundle includes a mini amplifier, gig bag, digital tuner, capo, strap, spare strings, picks, and amplifier cables. Providing everything a beginner needs, the Strick SST S10 delivers excellent sound clarity and versatility, making it suitable for genres like rock, blues, and pop. The amplifier, while compact, provides decent sound output for practice sessions. The guitar's build quality is robust, though the engineered wood fretboard may not feel as premium as maple or rosewood. Overall, this model is ideal for beginners seeking a stylish and reliable guitar with a comprehensive accessory kit. List 4. The Strick SST S20 Sunburst electric guitar is the premium option in this lineup, offering an HSS pickup configuration for enhanced tonal versatility. The humbucker provides rich, deep tones, while the single-coil pickups deliver bright, clear sounds. The guitar is crafted from maple and poplar wood, ensuring durability and a refined finish. The accessory kit includes a 10-watt amplifier, gig bag, tuner, capo, strap, spare strings, picks, amplifier cables, and an audio converter, making it a complete package for beginners and intermediate players. With its HSS pickup configuration, the Strick SST S20 excels in genres ranging from folk to heavy metal. The 10-watt amplifier delivers better sound output compared to lower-powered models, making it suitable for small performances. The maple fretboard and slim neck design enhance playability, while the elegant Sunburst finish adds a professional touch. Although the price is higher, the guitar's premium features justify the investment for serious beginners. List 5. The CBSKY 30-inch Kids electric guitar is the most budget-friendly option in this comparison. Designed for younger players, it features a 1/4 size body and a single coil pickup configuration. The kit includes a 2-watt amplifier, gig bag, strap, and picks, providing basic accessories to get started. While the guitar is lightweight and compact, its limited features make it more suitable for casual beginners. Performance-wise, the CBSKY guitar is adequate for simple practice sessions. The single coil pickup delivers a bright tone, but the lack of tonal controls limits its versatility. The 2-watt amplifier is underpowered, and the overall build quality may not withstand heavy use. Despite these drawbacks, the CBSKY guitar is a great entry-level option for children who are just starting to explore music.